Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unleavened breads have symbolic importance in Judaism and Christianity. Canon law of the Latin Rite of the Roman Catholic Church mandates the use of unleavened bread for the host, and unleavened wafers for the communion of the faithful.
Let's help you make your mark.
Unleavened bread, or bread without yeast, is a typical Jewish food. The name derives from the Greek azimos, without yeast, which in Jewish becomes matzah, and it is the symbol of the Passover that recalls the Exodus from Egypt. It was the bread of the fugitives because it was quickly prepared by the fleeing Jews.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.